Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Ty from xking.com, and in today's video I'm gonna give you examples of the best, well not the best, some side hustle ideas. The problem I have with these big YouTubers or big time guys who does side hustles, or they'll tell you, get your side hustle, get your side hustle, but they don't tell you, give you ideas on side hustles. Some people are in a situation where they don't know what they want to do. And sometimes you're early 20s, mid 20s, you don't know what you want to do. You don't know what kind of songs you want to do. You don't know what you can do, what you like. And you want somebody to list things that, give you a list to choose from. And you say, I might try this, or I might try that. Or I didn't know I could make money doing this. So in this video, I'm going to give you some ideas. I'm going to give you some real life ideas on side hustles you can do from home or whatever. This could be a side time gig from your full-time job, something you can do in your spare time. So these are real life ideas I have done or are currently doing for myself. So the first one, I got a list here. The first one is you can start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel, I'm shooting a video right now. You shoot a YouTube channel, and I'm in my car right now. And on my lunch break at work, I go in my car and shoot a video. I shoot videos in my house. I shoot videos in my backyard. So you shoot videos while you're on vacation. Starting a YouTube channel costs you nothing. It costs you no money to start. It costs you no money to upload a video to YouTube. And YouTube can make you a lot of money. There are millionaires on YouTube. Now, it takes a long time to get there, but YouTube could be another side hustle. If you just pick a frequency, pick 2 videos per week, it takes you 10 minutes to shoot a video. 10 minutes to shoot one video. You know what I'm saying? So 2 videos a week should be easy. For me, it's not even a side hustle. It's just something I do on the side because it's very easy. So my first thing to do is start a YouTube channel. And YouTube channel about what? Whatever you like doing. If you know how to cook, you know how to bake, if you know how to do things on the computer, if you know techniques, if you love playing video games, start your YouTube channel, start your Twitch channel. So while I was growing up, pre-internet, there was no, like playing the Nintendo 64, there was no internet back then. It was just the game cards that you play it, and people older than me back then said it's a waste of time, waste of money, because you ain't making no money of it. Well, now, these days, you can start your Twitch channel and make money playing video games. You can start, playing video games, you record it on your Xbox, you record 10 minutes on your Xbox, you can upload that video to YouTube and make money. You create your gaming channel on YouTube playing Xbox. So right now, playing Xbox can make you some money. So start a YouTube channel. Number 2, Twitch. If you play video games, make a Twitch channel. Go YouTube Live, record it, upload to YouTube, make you some money. You can start a gaming blog about your gameplay. Easy, it's where you make money. You do something in your free time. I know back then when I was 24, 25, I was coming home from work playing the Xbox all day. I wish I started a Twitch channel. I was living home. Had my house. I was home alone. Nobody lived with me during that time period. I wish I started a game channel. I wish I started a gaming blog, because I could have made side money coming home from work and start a YouTube channel in a niche. So start a YouTube channel, start something that you're interested in. If you know how to fix cars, a good one. If you know how to do yourself around the house, another good one. If you want to kill a hornet's nest, make a video about that. If you you power wash houses, do a video about that. Give tips and tricks about that. Start a YouTube channel. The next one is to start a blog. Now, a blog takes a long time to get ranked, depending on how much time you put into it. But a blog is very easy to set up these days. You can set it up with one click. Hit the button, give the password, username, and you start blogging. Blogging is a long-term goal. Blogging is very easy. Blogging is not, I don't say it's very easy. It takes a long time to make it. It's a long-term investment. YouTube and blogging is a long-term investment. But again, you can do 1 post a week. You do 2 posts a week. Writing a blog post should take you about an hour, if that. Do 2 a week. is another side hustle that can replace your job's income in the future. You gotta remember, this wasn't available 10 years ago. 12 years ago, pre-internet, this wasn't available. So you gotta get these things now while it's really cheap. Buy a domain name at $10. Hosting is $5 a month. And this site can make you $2,000-$3,000 per month if you put the time and work into it. So start a blog on your niche. So what you do is you start a YouTube channel, what you like doing, and start a blog around that same niche. You could make a YouTube video and write a blog post about that, or write a blog post and do a video about that blog post. Okay, that's the two ways to make some easy money. Don't take a lot of time. You do it twice a week. I have here drive for Uber. My last video I gave tips for drive for Uber. I drive Uber on the weekends, Friday, Saturday nights, whether they're busy. I do a little holidays too, they're really busy. So yeah, drive for Uber. Easy to sign up. It's very simple. You pick somebody up, you drop them off. That's it. That's Uber. Another side hustle. And the other good news is you can write off your gas, your taxes. You write off car repairs, new tires, stuff you buy anyway for your car for all your taxes. Cut grass for a living. You know, if you got a lawnmower, go to your neighbor's yard, actually cut the grass. Start cutting grass. It's a side hustle. You know, you probably do this once, twice a week. Just cut the grass. Very easy, very simple. Get your lawnmower, start cutting grass. If you know how to fix cars, if you know how to change the oil, if you know how to change brakes, you do it on the side as well. They say, I know how to change brakes. You buy the brake pads, you buy everything else, I put it on there, and it charges like $50, whatever. I tell you $50 to do it. If you do it in an hour, make $50 an hour. So, fix cars. You know how to change the oil. You know how to change brakes. If you know how to do these things, you could just tell people, you go put it on Facebook. Get on Facebook, hey, I know how to change brakes. If I need the brakes changed, if you buy the equipment, I'll fix your brakes. Power washing houses is something I'm interested in as now, because power washing houses is a really good way of making good money. Because if you think about it, I don't see a lot of people power wash houses no more. I don't see it. Now, people now doing power washing and landscaping, but I don't see a lot of people doing power washing. So I'm interested in that as well. Got to put a little bit of investment up front, but you're gonna charge $100 a house. You do 2 houses, you make $200 that day. You know, so as 5 days a week, you make what, $800 a week. That's doing 2 houses a day, and doing the house might take you 2 hours, hour and a half of that. So that's a good side hustle. You can do it on the weekends. You can do it, you know, when you get out of work. You know, do one house, make $100, $120, whatever you price. So build your email list. You know, if you start a blog and a YouTube channel, start building an email list using Aweber to build your list, and you start emailing people products and promotions that you have, that you offer. Also, you can promote your YouTube videos as well. So those are some side hustles. You could just trim hedges, landscaping. You could do some wash cars. I know kids in my neighborhood, they wash cars. You get them like $10, $20. Something easy, and use our water hose. So, you know, you do that as well. If you're good at anything, if you want to babysit kids, I mean, babysitting is a really good niche to get into. If you're free during a part of the day that kids are school, you start to, you know, take 2 kids in, you get paid, you know, what, $300 a week just doing that, a side hustle. And then once they're there, you can build something else in the meantime. So there's a lot of ways to make some extra money. So those are the some on top of my head right now. But with the internet, anything that you're good in, anything you're interested in, you can make money. If I can tell you one, if you love watching Netflix, if you love watching movies and TV shows, did you know you can start a YouTube channel based on doing reviews of TV shows and movies? You can watch a movie and do a YouTube review about it and make money. I mean, anything you do, and I'm thinking about doing that as well myself. So anything you do can make you some money. Anything you're interested in can make you some money. And that's that's it for the video. I mean, we're going to restaurants. That's my next thing I'm gonna do. I don't want to tell people, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. My next big venture is have a restaurant food review blog and YouTube channel. And it's very simple. I'm gonna go to different restaurants in my area, in my vicinity. I'm gonna take a camera with me and record the whole thing. And I'm gonna tell how good the food is. I'm gonna show pictures of menus and to do a review about that. Very easy. That could be a blog and YouTube channel in itself. Very easy to do. Don't take a lot of time to do it. Anything. So if you love watching movies, TV shows, if you're a movie I don't know, Antipas, whatever it's called. If you're a movie expert and you watch all the good movies, you could do a review about that and sit down in a chair, talk about the movie, and be done with it. That's it. Very simple, very easy to do. So that's it for the video. Anything you want to do, you can do it. Okay? And I have a lot of stuff I want to do, but I can't do it right now because I work 40 hours. And I got an 8-month-old at home. So my time is very limited. I do what I can. Do what you can every week. My name is Tom from SKing.com. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.